Hi, my name is Maria and I'm from Greece. I've been teaching English for the past 10 years, both in Greece and in the UK. Well, I have worked online as a private tutor and at language schools around Greece. The thing is that this year I want to change my context, and that's why I joined 𝐂𝐿𝐿 program. Well, I just wanted to have someone to help me take the right steps in order to build my own online business. Of all the training videos that I have watched, I'm gonna talk about two things that I've pondered on the most. Well, one thing regards group dynamics and the psychology of the crowd, how people behave when they are a part of a group, and well, everything about those blind followers. Well, to be honest, what can I say? Pre-existing misconceptions regarding native and non-native teachers of English can be significant barriers. But then again, through this program, I learned about market distortion and how we can bring our learners back to the truth. The other thing that I want to talk about is our subject pool. We need to find a non-traditional subject pool, and then again we have to identify their one specific problems that worries them the most and breeds their gap. Well, what can I say? It involves a lot of research and trial and error approach, and then you have to test your product. You have to adjust it and test it again until you get it right. It's been quite fascinating, and to be honest, I highly recommend this program because, well, it has pushed me to think, I don't know, from inside the box, outside the box. And now, honestly, I wonder, is there a box? Well, what I would say is draw a line. Think about the value that you provide your students with and the considerations you have regarding their becoming. Well, other than that, just give it a try.